Meet Iranian Ashtar high-precision bolt-action sniper rifle. It has a caliber of 7.62 into 64 mm. Its effective range is 800 to 1000 meters and it has a zoom scope of 24x. It is being fed by a 5-round magazine. This weapon is being used by Iranian forces. A sniper's primary function is to provide detailed surveillance from a concealed position and neutralize enemies' high-value targets including anti-armour, anti-personnel and anti-material roles. Sniper rifles are often designed for very high durability, range, reliability, sturdiness, serviceability and repairability under adverse environmental and combat conditions, at the sacrifice of a small degree of accuracy.